Here's one for all you really smart folks out there. The motorhome's been sitting for about 3 weeks while we were working on the entry door. So we're gonna crank it up. Here we go. Key on. We're gonna try to crank it. It will not crank. All right. We're going to turn the headlights on. Beeping stops. Speedometer starts going crazy. Transmission still will not work. It now rolls over. Turn the headlights back off. Beeping starts. Now it will roll over again, but it will not start. After you turn the key off, try it again. It will not do nothing. Turn the headlights back on. It will roll over, but it will not start. Headlights off. It will still roll over, but it will not start until you turn the key off. Then you have to turn the headlights back on again.